Hello guys! Sa araw na ito, ay nais ko po sa inyo i-share ang mga difficult words. Kung may nais po kayo pong maipalabas po sa tanong ito, ay pwede po kayo mag-comment down below. At kung may nais man po ng shoutout, ay pwede rin po mag-comment down below. So, hope you enjoy guys!
A few moments later.
Difficult words of letter I. Iamatology, medical study of remedies. Iambus, plural iambi, metrical put of one short followed by one long syllable. Iambic, pertaining to or composed of iambi, line of iambi. Iambis, writer of iambi. Iatrical, medical. Iatrolytics, medical treatment by rubbing with oil. Iatrochemistry, application of chemistry to medical theory and treatment. Iatrogenic, applied to a disease or condition induced in a patient by a doctor or medical treatment. Iatrology, medical science or treatise. Iatrotechnics, medical therapeutics. Iberian, pertaining to Spanish Portuguese Peninsula, Asian inhabitant of that region. Ibex, wild goat, especially with long backward curved horns. Boccetin, Agagrus. Ibidem, in the same place, abbreviated as Ibid. Ibis, large heron-like wading bird with down-curved bill. Icarian, pertaining to Icarus in Greek mythology, who in flying too near sun met his death, flying dangerously high, over-ambitious. Ichabod, the glory has departed. Ichneumon, mongoose, especially Egyptian species believed to suck crocodile's eggs. Ichneumon fly, fly whose larva parasitizes other insects' larvae. Ichneumous, parasitic. Ignite, fossil footprint. Ichthyography, map, ground plan, making of maps and plans. Ichnology, geological study of fossil footprints. Ichnomancy, divination by footprints. Ichor, watery fluid discharged from moon, fluid supposed to fill veins of Greek and Latin gods. Ichorea, discharge of pus-like fluid. Ictus, amulet or talismanic carving in shape of fish. Ichthyic, pertaining to fishes. Ichthyism, fish poisoning. Ichthyofauna, fish life of region. Ichthyography, treatise on fishes. Ichthyoid, fish-like. Ichthyolatry, worship of fishes. Ichthyolite, fossil fish. Ichthyology, study of fishes. Ichthyomorphic, fish shape. Ichthyornis, toothed fossil bird of America. Ichthyophagy, eating of fish. Ichthyosaurus, large fossil marine reptile. Ichthyosis, congenital disease characterized by thickened scaly skin. Ichthyotoxism, fish poisoning. Icon, sacred or monumental image, statue, painting, etc. Picture on computer monitor to represent command. Iconism, worship of images. Iconoclasm, image breaking, attacking of established beliefs. Iconoclast, person practicing iconoclasm. Iconography, representation in art or diagrams, description of representational works of art. Iconolatry, image worship. Iconology, study of icons, symbolism. Iconomachi, objection to worship of icons. Iconomatic, pertaining to picture writing in which characters represent names or phonetic values and not objects. Iconometer, instrument finding distance or size of object by measuring its image. Instrument for finding photographic focus. Direct viewfinder. Iconoplast, image maker. Iconoscope, part of television camera where light is converted into electric waves. Iconostasis, screen bearing icons, separating sanctuary from nave in Eastern churches. Icosahedron, 20-sided solid figure. Icosyan, pertaining to 20. Icositetrahedron, 24-sided solid figure. Icteric, pertaining to jaundice, remedy for jaundice. Icteraceous, yellowish. Icteroid, like jaundice, yellow. Icterus, jaundice. Ictus, stress inverse, medicine, fit, sudden pulsation or stroke. Id, psychology, instinctive energies or tendencies, subconscious mind. Ideate, form ideas, imagine, conceive. Idifix, fixed idea, obsession, musical motive. Idem, the same, abbreviation, id. Idiogeny, study of origin of ideas. Idiogenetic, initiating ideas. Idiogonous, of mental origin. Ideograph, symbol in picture writing, representing idea or thing, any symbol universally recognized. Ideology, science of ideas, theory, especially impractical, value of ideas of an object or of a class, race, political party, etc. Ides, 13 or 15 day of month in ancient Roman calendar. Ides of March, unlucky or fatal day. Ides, that is, abbreviation i.e. Idiosasam, idiosyncrasy. Idioblast, isolated cell differing greatly from surrounding cells or tissue. Idiochromatic, having characteristic coloration. Idiocracy, constitutional peculiarity. Idioelectrical, able to be electrified by friction. Idioglossia, secret speech or language especially invented by children, psychological condition in which speech is so distorted as to be unintelligible. Idiograph, trademark. Idiographical, pertaining to or dealing with the individual or unique. Idiolect, personal speech pattern. Idiolegism, idiolect. Idiom, language or dialect peculiar to people, region, class, etc. Linguistic, expression peculiar to itself in form, grammar, etc. Style of artistic expression, characteristics of a person, period, medium, etc. Idiomology, study of idioms. Idiomorphic, having its own peculiar or proper form. Idiopathy, peculiar characteristics, disease not caused by another. Idioplasm, part of protoplasm, varying hereditary characteristics. Germplasm. Idiospasm, localized cramp. Idiosyncrasy, mental or physical peculiarity, eccentricity, especially sensitivity to a drug. Idiothermus, warm-blooded. Idioticon, dialect dictionary. Idiot savant, plural idiot savants, mentally retarded person with exceptional talent in one field. Idolite, sacrifice offered to idol. Idolum, plural idola, phantom, fallacy. Idoneous, appropriate. Ignavi, laziness. Igneous, pertaining to fire. Geology, produced by action of heat within the earth, formed by solidification of molten magma. Ignescent, substance throwing off sparks when struck, sparkling, inflamed. Ignicolis, fire worshipper. Ignis fatuus, plural ignis fatui, foolish fire, light produced over marshland, will o' the wisp, any misleading idea or thing. Ignominy, dishonor. Ignorantism, obscurantism. Iguana, large lizard, especially of tropical America. Iguanodon, kind of dinosaur. Ileum, large part of small intestine. Ileitis, inflammation of ileum. Ileus, complete obstruction of intestine. Ilex, holm oak, holy genus. Illicit, pertaining to holy. Ilium, plural ilia, bone forming part of pelvis, hip bone. Iliac, pertaining to the loins. Iliacus, flexor muscle of thigh. Elation, inference, act of inferring. Elative, such word as therefore. Illumination, act of rubbing on. Illuminati, persons claiming special enlightenment. Illuvium, plural illuvia, material removed from soil layer by rainwater and deposited in lower layer. Illuviate, undergo illuviation. Illuviation, accumulation of illuvium. Imagism, poetical doctrine of the use of the precise images but entire freedom of form and subject matter. Imago, plural imagos, adult form of insect. Imam, priest in charge of Muslim mosque, title of several Muslim rulers or leaders. Imama, office of imam. Imamate, jurisdiction of imam. Imbat, periodical cool wind of Cyprus and Levant. Abbreviate, draw up as a brief and roll. Imbricate, overlapping, V or make imbricate. Imbrication, intricacy. Imbroglio, confused or embarrassing situation or state. Imbrue, dye, soak. Imbrute, degrade, become brutish. Imbue, soak, dye, impregnate, permeate. Immanent, indwelling, inherent, all-pervading. Amiability, state of being impossible or lacking power to pass. Emerge, plunge in, immerse oneself in something. Imminent, happening in near future, threatening. Diminution, diminution. Immolate, sacrifice, especially by killing. Immortal, everlasting dried flower. Immunoassay, determination of presence and quantity of a substance through its action as an antigen. Immunocompromise, immunosuppress. Immunogen, antigen. Immunogenesis, production of immune response. Immunogenetics, study of immunity as affected by heredity. Immunology, study of immunity. Immunosuppress, lacking a fully effective immune system, having the normal immune response suppressed. Immunosuppressant, drug causing immunosuppression, especially to prevent rejection of a transplanted organ. Immunotherapy, medical treatment by exploiting immunological principles. Example, by arousing antibodies through introducing antigens or by causing tissue rejection through a graft. Immure, imprisoned and tomb. Impassable, not pacifiable. Impaction, obstruction or lodgement of matter in passage. Impactite, slug-like glassy object found on surface of the earth, probably formed from rock melted by the impact of a meteor. Impair, odd number, wager on odd numbers in roulette. Impanation, introduction or embodiment of Christ's body and communion bread. Imparity, disparity. Imparsyllabic, word having different number of syllables in different cases. Impasse, deadlock, blind alley. Impasto, application of pigment thickly in painting such pigment. Impabid, without fear. Impeccable, without fault. Impeccant, without sin. Impecunious, poor. Impedance, electricity, apparent resistance to flow of alternating current. Impediment, obstacle, hindrance, speech defect. Impedimenta, luggage. Impeditive, hindering. Impenate, flightless, pertaining to penguins, penguin. Imperator, commander, ruler. Imprescriptible, not recorded. Impetigo, fistulous skin disease. Impetrate, a spore obtained by asking. Impi, formation of African, especially Zulu warriors. Impignorate, mortgage pawned. Implacable, not to be appeased, irreconcilable. Implement, carry out, perform, fulfill, tool, utensil. Implemental, useful, effective. Implicit, implied, do and express without question or doubt. Implode, burst in words. Imponderable, incapable of being weighed or evaluated such thing, especially spiritual value. Imponderous, weightless. Importune, urge or ask persistently, solicit for immoral or sexual purposes. Importunate, urgent, pressing, making persistent requests. Impostulate, form or inflict an abscess. Impotent, weak, powerless, sexually incapable. Imprecate, pray for evil, curse. Impregnable, able to withstand attack, capable of being fertilized, able to become or be made pregnant. Impresario, manager of entertainment. Impressionism, artistic doctrine of expressing without detail the artist's subjective impression of subject. Imprimatur, license to print, approval. Imprimis, in the first place. Impocrian, sexually impotent. Impromptu, extempore composition. Impropriate, transfer ecclesiastical revenue to layman. Improvise, invent or compose without forethought, extemporize. Impudicity, shamelessness. Impug, challenge, call in question, oppose, attack by argument. Impunity, exemption from punishment. Imshi, exclamation, go away. Inamorato, feminine inamorata, lover, beloved person. Inanition, emptiness, starvation, exhaustion. In articulum mortis, at the point of death. Incalescent, becoming warm or warmer. In camera, in private chamber, in secret, in private. Incandesce, become white, glow or make to glow with heat. Incanus, covered with soft white hairs. Incarcerate, imprison. Incardinate, make cardinal, receive priest from another diocese. Incarnadine, crimson, flesh-colored, dye crimson. Intuate, begin, inaugurate, initiate, just begun, imperfect. Intuition, beginning. Intuitive, signifying commencement. Incipient, beginning in initial stage. Incipit, here begins. Incisor, cutting tooth at front of mouth. Inclination, angle between horizon and magnetic needle, moving vertically, magnetic tip. Incognito, feminine incognita, with identity concealed under assumed name, such person, abbreviation incog. Incommunicado, prevented from communicating in solitary confinement. Incondite, badly composed or put together, unpolished. Inconu, feminine, inconnu, unknown person, stranger. Incrassate, thickened. Incretion, internal secretion, hormone. Incroyable, fap. Incubus, plural incubi, nightmare, burden, oppression, medicine, nightmare. Demon, taking on male form to have sexual intercourse with a woman in her sleep. Inculcate, impress on mind by frequent repetition. Inculpate, blame, involve in blame. Incumbent, lying, resting upon as a duty, holder of benefice, vicar. Incunabula, singular incunabulum, Early printed books, especially printed before 1500 AD, an early or beginning period. Incunabulis, student of incunabula. Incur, become liable for, bring upon oneself. Incurrent, running or flowing inwards. In use, impression, especially on coin stamped in. Indaba, Falaber conference. Indicate, investigate. Indenture, written agreement, originally torn or cut into two parts along a jog line. Agreement between master and apprentice. Notch, wrinkle, bind by contract. Index Librorum Prohibitorum, list of forbidden books of the Roman Catholic Church. Index Expurgatorius, list of books allowed only in expurgated form. Indicia, identifying marks, sign. Indic, accuse. Indiction, ancient Roman tax, property tax or assessment. Indigenous, native, aboriginal, inherent. Indigene, native. Indigent, poor, destitute. Indigo, dark blue color and dye, plant yielding it. Indigoferous, yielding indigo. Indite, compose, write down, describe. Indulge, inherent disposition. Induce, armistice. Induction, electricity, production of electrified or magnetic state in body by the near presence of a charged or magnetized body. Production of a current in a circuit by a variation in the magnetic field linked with it or in current in an adjacent circuit. Logic, reasoning from particular to general, establishment of general rules from observation of individual cases, installing in office, position, etc. Indue, put on, assume, enjoy, supply. Indumentum, plural indumenta, thick, woolly or hairy covering. Induna, South African chief or councillor. Indurate, harden. Ineffable, indescribable, unspeakable. Ineluctable, irresistible, unavoidable. Inept, inappropriate, weak, silly. Inerm, botany without prickles. Inert, not capable of motion or action, inactive, especially chemically. Inertia, matter's property of remaining at rest or of continuing to move same straight line, tendency to be inactive, sluggishness. Inesse, inexistence. Inexorable, unalterable, relentless. In extenso, extended to full length. In extremis, on point of death at last extremity. In fasciculae, in the presence of the court. Infanta, daughter of Spanish or Portuguese sovereign. Infante, younger son of Spanish or Portuguese sovereign. Infarct, portion of dead and scarred tissue in an organ resulting from congestion or blockage of a blood vessel serving it. Inferie, sacrifices to beings of underworld. Fidation, granting of payoff, transfer of tithes to layman. Infiri, pending. Infine, at the end, finally. In flagrante, in blazing crime, in the act of committing a crime or offense, in the act of having illicit sexual intercourse. Inflorescence, flowering, arrangement of flowers in a plant, flower cluster or head. In foro, in the forum, before the court. Infra, below, later afterwards. Infradignitatem, beneath one's dignity, abbreviation infradig. Infract, infringe. Infraction, violation especially of law. Infumated, blackish, smoky. Infundibular, funnel shape. Infundibulum, plural infundibula. Anatomy, funnel shaped part. Infuscated, brownish, obscured. Fusoria, singular infusorian, class of protozoa found in water. Infusorioid, like an infusorian. ingeminate, reiterate, ingenere, in kind, in general, ingenui, guileless girl, especially such stage role, ingenuous, innocent, guileless, ingest, taken as food, ingest, ingesta, ingested matter, inglobis, bird's crop, ingrate, ungrateful person, ingravescent, continually becoming more severe, ingress, entrance, right of entering, inguinal, pertaining to or near the groin, engurgitate, swallow up, guzzle, inhere, belong intimately and by nature, be a part of, inherent, innate, fixed, settled, constituting an inseparable part or attribute, in hoc, in this respect, in whom, bury, inimical, hostile, unfavorable, in initio, in the beginning, iniquitous, unjust, weak, in loco, in the proper place, in loco parentis, in place or position of a parent, in medias res, into the midst of things, beginning in the middle or at the most important part, in memoriam, in memory of, innate, inborn, forming natural or constitutional part, inherited, innervate, supply with nerves, stimulate, innocuous, harmless, innovate, introduce something new, make changes, introduce as new, innocuous, harmless, innuendo, plural innuendos, allusion, insinuation, especially unpleasant, inopinate, unexpected, inosculate, unite, combine, blend, imposse, impossibility, in principio, in the beginning, inquilin, living in another's nest or dwelling, such animal, inquinate, corrupt, in re, plural in rebus, in the thing, in reality, concerning, insenation, misi-ensin, insectivorous, feeding on insects, insectivore, animal feeding on insects, inseminate, sow, impregnate, insidious, treacherous, sly, lying in wait to capture, medicine, more serious than it appears, insignia, badges of office, any distinct emblems, incipience, stupidity, in situ, on the site, in original position, insulate, exposed to sunlight, insulation, such exposure, sunstroke, medical treatment by sunbathing, radiation from sun, insouciance, indifference, carefreeness, inspissate, archaic, thicken, inspissant, thickening substance, statu quo ante, in same state as before, instauration, restoration to former excellence, insufflate, blow on or into, breathe upon, insular, pertaining to island, narrow-minded, intaglio, engrave pattern in cave relievo, especially on gem bearing such, intaglate, incise, intarsia, pattern of inlaid wood, art of making such patterns, integer, whole number, entity, whole, integral, essential, constituent, whole, integrant, component, essential part, intellection, superhuman knowledge, act or exercise of intellect, senecdoche, intelligentsia, intellectual persons, highbrows, intemperate, undefiled, intempestive, inopportune, out of season, intenerate, soften, intention, intensity, intensification, exertion of mind or will, logic, properties implied by a concept or term, inter alia, among other things, inter alios, among other persons, interamnian, between rivers, intercalary, inserted in the calendar, bisextile, leap year, interpolated, intercardinal, point halfway between two cardinal points of compass, interciliary, between eyebrows, intercolline, between hills, intercosmic, between or among stars, intercostal, between ribs, interdict, forbid, prohibition, interdigitate, interlocked, intertwine, interested, showing curiosity or concern about, involved or implicated in and therefore not impartial, interfenestral, between windows, interfenestration, such between windows distance, interferometer, instrument measuring wavelengths of light and analyzing spectra, interfluvial, between two rivers flowing in same direction, interfluve, such interfluvial area, interjacent, situated between, intervening, interlocutor, feminine, interlocutress, speaker in conversation, interpreter, interlocution, conversation, interruption, interlocutory, law, done during action, intermediate, interlunar, pertaining to period between old and new moon, interlunation, such period, interval of darkness, interne, hospital physician, surgeon or student, internecine, causing death and destruction, especially mutual, internancio, go between, papal emissary, receptor, sensory receptor responding to stimuli arising within the body, especially the viscera, interosculate, intermix, have common biological characteristics, interosculant, intersecting, interpellate, arraign or question for explanation, interpellant, interrupting, person interpellating, interpellation, interpellating, interruption, interpolate, insert, introduce, interject, alter or falsify text etc. by inserting new material, estimate intermediate values from known values in a mathematical range or series, interregnum, plural interregna, interval, especially between two successive brains, interrex, plural interreges, rulers during such interregnum, interse, among themselves, interstice, a small opening or space, especially intervening, intertessellation, complicated interrelationship, intertonic, between accented sounds or syllables, intertrigo, inflammation of skin caused by friction between moist surfaces, intestate, person dying without having made a valid will, intima, plural intimi, anatomy, inner lining of organ or vessel, intorsion, twisting, twinning, in toto, entirely, intrados, interior curve of arc, intramural, within the walls, taking place within or confined to a college, institution, etc., intransigent, uncompromising person, radical, travasation, medicine, entrance of externally formed matter into vessels, intravenous, into a vein, intravitam, during life, intrinsic, inward, inherent, introit, some or hymn chanted at approach to altar of celebrant priest, first part of Roman Catholic Mass, introjection, incorporation of external ideas and attitudes into one's own personality, intromit, insert, admit. Introrse, inward facing. Introspection, looking inward, self-examination, intense, sometimes morbid interest in one's own mental process and emotions. Intumes, swell, bubble, especially owing to heat. Intusception, movement or slipping of a part into another, especially of small into large intestine. Inula, elecampane. Inulacious, like inula. Inang, anoint. Inunction, act of anointing, ointment, rubbing of ointment into skin. Inangtum, lanolin ointment. Invaginate, sheath, infold, draw part of tube, etc. inside other part. Invagination, act of invaginating, part invaginated. Intusception. Inveigle, attack with words. Inveigle, entis, first by flattery, guile, etc. Invenit, invented it. Inveterate, confirm, long established. Invictive, not defeatable. Invidious, something to provoke envy or ill will or give offense. Invigilate, supervise closely, especially candidates in examination. Invination, inclusion or embodiment of blood of Christ in communion wine. Invisate, make sticky and trap with sticky substance. In vivo, in living creature. In vitro, in glass, in test tube or laboratory experiment. In vitro fertilization, union of eggs and sperm to form embryos in the laboratory. Involucre, covering especially wall of Brax implant. Involucral, like an involucre. Involucrate, having an involucre. Involute, curve spirally inwards, complicated. Involution, stabbing of wax image of person to be injured as a form of witchcraft. Iodoform, antiseptic, made from iodine and alcohol. Iodotherapy, medical treatment with iodine. Ion, electrically charged particle or atom. Ionize, convert into ion. Make conductive by forming ions in. Ionophoresis, electrophoresis, especially of small ions. Ionosphere, region of atmosphere from 40 km 25 miles up, in which air is ionized by sun's ultraviolet rays and reflects radio waves back to Earth. Iontophoresis, introduction of ions into body as medical treatment. Iota, ninth letter of Greek alphabet, jot, atom. Ipecacuanha, dried roots of South American plant used as expectorant, etc. Abbreviation Ipecac. Ipse dicit, himself, he said it. Dogmatic statement, dictum. Imsati, selfhood. Ipso facto, by the fact, by virtue of that very fact or case. ICSI, abbreviation of International Quiet Sun Years. Irid, Muslim edict, especially Sultan's decree. Irascent, becoming angry. Irascible, easily angered, irritable. Iridescent, glittering with rainbow-like colors. Iridic, containing iridium, pertaining to iris of eye. Iridium, air hard, platinum-like metal. Iridization, iridescence. Iridology, diagnosis based on examining iris of eye. Irisation, iridescence. Iriscope, apparatus producing iridescence. Iritis, inflammation of iris of eye. Irrecusable, not to be rejected. Irredenta, unredeemed, applied to part of country under another's rule. Irredentism, fallacy of attempting to recover such region to country that has lost it. Irrefragable, indisputable, unbreakable, irrefrangible, unbreakable, incapable of being refracted, irremediable, allowing of no return, irrevocable, incapable of being recalled or revoked, unalterable, erupt, verse in, enter violently, isagoge, introduction, isagogics, introductory study of Bible, isalobar, line on map passing through all places with equal changes in pressure over a certain period, isanemone, line on map connecting all places with same wind velocity, isarhythm, line on map passing through places of same density of population, ischemia, localized anemia or deficiency of blood, ischalgia, sciatica, ischidrosis, suppression of perspiration, ischium, plural ischia, bone forming base of each half of pelvis, ischuria, retention of urine, ischuretic, agent causing ischuria, isinglass, form of gelatin made from fishes' air bladders, agar-agar, isem, doctrine especially of a foolish one, isobar, line on map passing through all places with same barometric pressure, isobat, line of map passing through all points of equal depth below water, isochim, line on map passing through all places with same average winter temperature, isochromatic, of the same color, isochronous, lasting equal time, recurring at equal intervals, isochronon, chronometer, isocrus, of uniform color, isoclinal, line on map passing through all places with same magnetic tip having equal inclination, isocracy, equal rule, possession of equal power by all, isocrime, isotherm for called the spirit of fear, isodiabatic, pertaining to equal heat transmission, isodynamic, pertaining to or having equal force, isogenesis, sameness of origin, isogeotherm, line connecting points of equal temperature below the Earth's surface, isogloss, a line of dialect map delimiting localities in which some features of speech is found, isogonal, having equal angles, isogonic, line on map passing through all places with same magnetic declination, isogram, line on map passing through all places with same conditions or figures for the subject in question as temperature, rainfall, etc. Isography, imitation of other person's handwriting. Isohel, line on map passing through all places with same hours of sunshine. Isoheight, line on map passing through all places with same rainfall. Isocheronic, line on map connecting places with equal or simultaneous occurrence of thunderstorms. Isomer, compound of same elements in same proportions by weight as another, but having different structures and properties. Isomerous, having same number of parts, peculiarities, etc. Isometric, of equal measure. Isometrics, system of muscular exercises without apparatus, example, by opposing one set of muscles to another. Isometry, equality of measure. Isomorphic, of same or similar form. Mathematics, applied by a one-to-one correspondence between the members of two or more sets. Isonomy, equality of legal rights. Isonym, word of same derivation or form as another, cognate word. Isopistic, isobaric. Isoplet, line on map passing through places with same numerical values for meteorological feature. Isopod, crustacean with flattened body and 7 pairs of legs, example, woodlouse. Isopolity, equality of political rights. Isopsepic, numerically equal. Isopicnic, line passing through points of equal density. Isorporic, of equal value. Isosceles, having two sides equal. Isosismal, line on map passing through places of same intensity of earthquake shock. Isostasy, state of equilibrium due to equal pressure on all sides. Isotherm for average summer temperature. Isotherm, line on map passing through places with same temperature. Isotope, form of an element having same atomic number but different atomic weight and different radioactivity. Radioactive isotope, form of an element made radioactive and used in medical diagnosis and treatment, etc. Isotron, device for separating isotopes. Isotropic, having same properties in every direction. Iterate, repeat. Iterant, repeating. Iterum, again, refresh. Atypalic, indecent, pertaining to first line of three trochees. Itinerant, journeying from place to place, wanderer, traveler. Itinerary, journey, route. Guidebook, pertaining to journey. Itinerate, journey from place to place, especially preaching. Ixia, iris like South African plant, corn lily. Ixudic, pertaining or due to ticks. Ixudian, pertaining to iktik.
A few moments later.
Salamat po ng napakarami po sa inyo pong panood. Kung nyo po ito pong nagustuhan, ay maaari po natin po itong share sa ating mga friends. Hanggang sa muli po, goodbye po!
You